Hey everybody, this is Peter and welcome to the show today. Is it possible to get an Italian fish dinner on the table in about 12 minutes time? It certainly is, and I'm going to show you how. Let's go. You know, when I go to the doctors tell me, Peter, you need to eat more fish. And I agree, I do need to eat more fish. You probably do too. However, sometimes it's just not in the cards to get fish on the table fast. But I've learned a method that works very, very well, and I'm going to show you how to do this. Let's go over the list of ingredients. First, I'm going to be using 3 pieces of tilapia. These are frozen tilapia fillets that I buy over at Costco. Now, I know many of you are going to say, tilapia is bad for you, tilapia is bad for you. I've never had a problem with tilapia, ever. But you can use any type of fish that you like. I have used codfish in the past, I've used halibut, whatever you like, whatever fish works well for you. So we have 3 pieces of tilapia. These are frozen, completely frozen. I have a lemon, which I'll be using in a bit. The other ingredients we're going to be using is 1 can of fire roasted tomatoes. Fire roasted tomatoes, the whole can. Right here I have some olives, and you can see in the overhead cam I have some that are larger olives like this, and then I've taken some of these and I simply have busted them up like that, and then you have some smaller ones, so I have both. Then I have some olive oil that I'll be using. These are good quality olive oil. You know how I preach about that. We have some Italian seasonings right here, and also we have some of the blend from Kinder's, which is a salt, pepper, garlic. The last seasoning I'm going to be using today are these little packets of True Lemon. And I've found these to be very, very good. And you know, a lot of the lemon pepper, some of the first ingredients you're going to see is salt, pepper, onion, garlic, and then that lemon seasoning is way, way, way down on the list. So I like to use these because they have the lemon right up front, and I'm able to control the salt and pepper a little bit better. So I'll show you how I use this in just a couple of minutes. Now, before I started this, I went ahead and turned on my Ninja Combi in the bake mode at 375 degrees, and I set the time to be 12 minutes. Am I serious about that 12 minutes? I absolutely am. 12 minutes in the Ninja Combi is all it's going to take. Now, if you don't have a Ninja Combi, you can also just use a toaster oven, or you can use your regular oven. 375F, about 12 minutes is all it's going to take to make this fish dinner to be great. All right, let's put it together. The first thing I'm going to do is take a little bit of the olive oil and put that down here on the tray. I'm just using the Ninja baking tray. I think they call it a pot, the Ninja pot. Here I have the frozen fish fillets. I'll put those right down on the pot. Just like that. Again, they are frozen, completely frozen. I just simply unwrap them. On top of this, you're now going to be putting 1 can of fire roasted tomatoes. Just make sure those get all over the fish and in the pot. On top of this, we're going to be putting our olives. So just take your olives and spread those around right on top of the fish and the tomatoes. I like to put several olives in here. I think it just tastes better with them. And that's the larger size olive that I buy at Costco. Now we're going to be putting on our seasonings, and we just have some Italian seasonings, and just sprinkle those right on the top fairly liberally. You can use any type of Italian seasoning you like. Whatever you have in your cabinet is fine. Just use an Italian-esque seasoning. On top of this, I'm going to be putting in some salt, pepper, garlic blend from Kinder's. I just use the blend. It's available pretty much everywhere these days. The last thing I'm going to use to top this off are some of these True Lemon packets. And again, I like to use this because it doesn't have salt, pepper, garlic like lemon peppers do. And then I just sprinkle those on top. And that's going to bring forth a very, very nice flavor. You could also be using lemon zest if you wanted to, and that would work out probably even better than this. On the very top of this, I like to put a little more olive oil right on top of each fish piece. And then I like to put some around the tray as well. All right, now we're going to go into the Ninja Combi for 12 minutes, and this is going to be done. Can you believe that? 12 minutes. I promise you that's what's going to happen. I've made this many, many, many times. Again, you can use any oven you have, 375, 12 minutes. This is going to cook from frozen in 12 minutes? Absolutely. I'll show you in a minute. Okay, I'm going to slide this into the Ninja Combi. The Combi has been preheated and it's ready to go. I'm going to set this back down to 12 minutes and we're good. I promise you, in 12 minutes, this is going to come out great. Be right back. Okay, my friends, this Italian fish dinner is ready. And let me show you how it turned out. You can see it right there on the overhead. Looks great. It's got all that fish in there, the tomatoes, the olives. It looks fantastic. Smells even better. 12 minutes, 375 in the oven. That's all it took. The fish was from frozen. The fish came up to a temperature of about 130, 135, and that's right where fish should be without being overcooked. All right, let me get this plated up and I'll come back and show you the end result. All right, my friends, take a look at this and how delicious it came out to be. Look at that. Beautiful fish dinner here in about 12 minutes time. The tomatoes, the olives, I have some lemons. You see what I've done to the lemons now. And you can have this on your table in about 12 minutes, start to finish. Super, super easy in the Ninja Combi oven, bake mode, or any other oven you have. Toaster oven's fine, regular oven's fine. 375 F at about 12 minutes time, and you're good to go. All right, to finish this off, I'm just going to add a little more olive oil here on the top, just because I love olive oil. And there we have it. Hope you enjoyed the video today. Super easy to do. Having a great Italian fish dinner on the table in 12 minutes. Super, super good. Please do me a favor. If you've already subscribed, please hit that like button and let others know, at least YouTube know, that others may want to watch the video. If you've not subscribed, please do me a favor and subscribe to the channel. I'd really appreciate it. Well, thanks again for watching. Really appreciate it. See you next time.